Morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's 9 o'clock and I'm up. I literally slept all day yesterday. I told you guys that in yesterday's vlog, off and on all day. I would sleep, wake up, play my game, eat something. I was tired, so yeah. And I was really thirsty too, but now I kind of starting to feel a little bit normal, back to myself. So I don't know what we got on the agenda for the day, but I just wanted to open up this vlog. I just closed out the vlog from yesterday, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and just edit it real quick so I can post it. And yeah, that's that.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So it is later on in the afternoon. I'm doing my little cleaning. Got laundry going on. As you guys can see, I'm cleaning this disgusting and horrendous stove of mine. Like I have been cooking with the grease a lot, and then especially after the Halloween ladies night, it was just super duper dirty. So I already started. I cleaned up here, and I cleaned this part already. So now I'm just about to finish up and do this part. I do have some Salisbury steaks in the oven for dinner, so I'll show you guys what I'm making. But yeah, just grease everywhere, so I'm just about to take care of this. But I just used a little bit of this Dawn and these green scrubbies that we get from Dollar Tree that I just got, and they work so good, these heavy duty scorching pads, and it just took all the grease and everything. Like it looked like this and all everywhere, and it looks like this now. So I'm just about to finish the rest, y'all. Don't judge me, but yeah, we're just getting everything together and prepping so we can have a nice smooth week.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the rhythm. I wanna so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're going enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. Yeah.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Nothing fancy, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Just got done doing my planning for the week and my planner as well as my little devotion, and then all I did was whatever the scripture that was from today's devotion. Then I went and wrote by that scripture in my study Bible. I went and wrote down like what I remembered from the sermon, how I took it, what I was, like my lesson, my take on it. So when I go back and look through my notes or whatever, or however I plan to do it in the future, I kind of already have, my take on what I'm telling myself what I need to focus on based on the scripture. That makes sense. Because I feel like every scripture you need to interpret it to how it's supposed to be speaking to you, period. So anyways, y'all, that's it. You guys know I love my devotion. This was my first time actually writing in my study journal. And I think I'm going to do it at least every Sunday because I feel like every day, I don't know, I can't really see myself doing that. But we'll see. Maybe more than once a week. I don't know. I'm trying to incorporate a lot of stuff, you guys. But I definitely want to be intentional with my time every day and making sure that I'm praying, thanking God, spending time with Him. And definitely doing my devotion. And that's something that I really look forward to doing every day. Just kind of having that time. I actually want to order me another type of like book. I've been looking around, and thank you guys for the suggestions on the different apps I can try for my Kindle. So I want to kind of play around with that tonight, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. For some reason I could not respond to you guys' comments on that video, but every other video I could. But I got a couple that I can try, so hopefully those ones will work. And I believe someone also said I might need a memory card, so that could be the case too. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, that's that. I pretty much already edited today's vlog up until now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add these clips in and get this up. I got some laundry in. That's pretty much all I've been doing. I did all of our laundry, washed me and Babe's comforter, our sheets, washed our clothes. I got one more load. that just needs to go in the dryer, and then that's it. It's like 8 o'clock. Dinner was good. I did the Salisbury steak, you guys seen that, and that's it. So tomorrow we got lots of stuff to do. Excuse me, a lot of stuff planned. We're off again, so I'm really excited about that. Just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Once I get this vlog up, watch some YouTube until I am ready to go to bed and the laundry is done. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow.